Let's get it straight here, Luco. I can't proceed until you give me some reassurance that we're not going to have a repeat of what happened last year in Yemen. Let me make something perfectly clear right now, okay? I am to be the only point person in which you'll have contact with, regardless of who tries to contact you first, okay?
For many years, I have made myself available to you. But something has changed.
No.
Call it gut feeling.
No, nothing has changed. Everything is exactly the same, okay? I wouldn't do anything to put you in any real danger this time.
Danger? Is that a joke? It is my job.
Actually, your job is to follow my instructions. Look, if I tell you any more, that's just putting you at risk, and I protect all my agents this way. Surely you should know that by now.
Froschl, in the past, I do everything as you request.
But that means no eyes, no ears, and we're gonna keep the agency out of this, okay?
Trakneminia. You're saying I'm screwed.
No. I'm telling you, you need to trust me.
I have never seen you this way before.